Alright, so we're gonna unbox this right here. Now, you do need a cord yourself. It does come with 2-year warranty from Canadian Tire, which you can exchange if anything happens. From our own experience that we had one already, we know that it only lasts around 2 or 3 years. I forgot exactly if it was 2 or 3. And we've only used it usually during spring and then at the end of summer sometimes. So we didn't use it that many times. I would say maybe 15 times, and then smoke started coming out. However, we still liked it. We liked the price, so we bought another one. Anyways, we're just gonna unbox this really quick. So here it is. Let's just take it out, and we're just gonna assemble it really quick. So here it is. That's everything that you get inside the box. There's nothing else. Now let's just put it together. It's actually very simple to set this up. So let's just start off with these guys, and you're gonna have to take off these screws, because we're going to have to put them on right now and use them. I want to show you where they go. So you're going to take this. It can be any one of them, any side, does not matter. You're just going to place it here. Then you're going to take this and just put it in. And finally, just spin this around until it's tight. So right now it should look something like so. And then just move on to the next side. You're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. And to place the top, we're going to do the exact same thing. We're just going to slide this in, and then we're going to use this. We're just gonna place this in here. Actually, in this case, we're gonna place it from here, and then with this, we're just gonna tie it in. But before we do that, just make sure to slide this in here, and it's gonna go around here. So just slide it in. So once you place these, that's how they're gonna look like. This is the way that we position them. There's 2 of them, and if you're having a hard time lining this up, just make sure to just move this just a little bit. Don't make it so tight, and then you're gonna be able to fix everything up there. After that, we just have to place these right here. This is just to hold the wire, and that's about it. If you don't want to place these, you don't really have to, but they are a nice add-on. And there we go. Now before we keep going, I do want to mention down here below, there's 3 positions for this. So you guys can go ahead and see what works best for you. If you want to position this here, here, or here, all you have to do is just take this out and then just position it a little bit lower if you want this to go lower. So here is how it would look if you decide to reposition this. From there, you just have to hook this up, and remember to turn this on, you have to press the button first. So press this, and then you're gonna lift this as you press and hold on to this down. But as far as this video goes, you're all done. That's it for this video. This is a quick unboxing and setup video for you. And we do have a long-term review, but as you guys heard me saying, so far, they only last about 2 years, about 15 times. We're gonna see how it goes with this one that we just bought.